today I am going to teach you how to divide
Like I've
any
seen it, a
number.
life
So
worth
let's
living is
start
a life with meaning.
our
I'll do
video.
what I love till
It
my
is
heart stops
mathematics
beating. I'm
subject.
feeding this
So
demon.
look here.
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break.
Equal to, so it is more
I'm
simple.
staying strong. Need
Equal
to
to
move on to
times
be
equal.
what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Then
I'm staying
subtract it.
strong. Need to move on to be what I want.
22 and this 0 put here. Then multiply 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Then 5 20 0 0 like this. Let's try with some big number. 4 divided 120. 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12. Then 3 and equal to, then subtract it. What happens? 0 and 0 and put it. Then there is 0, so how it's come? 4 times 0 is equal 4, like this. Let's try with some 4 divided 121. Then 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12. Then 3, then 12, subtract it. 0 1. So here is 0, then you have to put same like here 0. Then you have to make it in put in decimal, so put here 0. Then this is one thing, decimal will be taken one time only. Then 4 times 1 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 4 times 3 equal 12, so it is much. Then 4 times 2 is equal 8. Look here. And then 22 left, then you have to put here 0. Then 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12, 4 times 4 is equal 16, 4 times 5 equal 20. Then put here 5 20, then subtract it. How much left? 0 0, like this. Let's do one again. 4 divide 125. 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12. Then put here 12, then subtract it. 0, this will come here 5. Then 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8. Then it is more than 8, so we only take 4 times 1 equal 4. Then 4, then subtract this, subtract it, 1 left. Then put here 0 to like this decimal. Then 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12. Then 12 is most. Then what we have to do? 4 times 2 equal 8. There is 2 left. and 4 times 2 equal 8. So we have to put here 0. 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 3 equal 12, 4 times 1 equal 16, 4 times 5 equals 20. Then put here 5, 0, put a 0, your answer comes. So hope you have understand this method. Thank you.